Welcome back to the COHO walkthrough. Now that we've set up our property, let's start collecting rent. To do this, click on the property you've just created and start adding tenancies. If you've already done this step, skip. If not, click on an empty room and click Add New Tenancy. From there, add the tenant's name, contact details, the start and end term, and the rent amount. Once the tenancy has been created, you can click on the room and scroll down to the rent collection panel. For a new tenancy, you'll click Create Rent Schedule. If you already have one and want to make changes, you can click Edit Rent Schedule. From there, pick which day of the month you want to be paid on, the payment method, as well as a payment reference. Either use a COHO generated payment reference or add your own. Once that's saved, rent due items will be created automatically. Finally, to see an overview of all your rent across all your properties, go down to the rent collection panel. This will give you an overview of your rent across all your properties. Here, you can also filter by property, by tenancy, as well as seeing rent that's due or overdue. Finally, at the bottom of the rent collection panel, you can click Generate Rent Statement. This lets you choose which properties, which money types, and the dates that you want to generate a rent statement for.